Hi my friends. In this video I'm showing step by step on how to clear your browsing history on Mozilla Firefox in Windows PC. First, open Firefox on your computer. For this video I already opened it. Click on these three dot lines. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Move down and then click on Clear Data. Here you will see these pop-up windows. Click on Clear. Click on Clear Now. Now move down here and click on Clear History. Again do the same, click on Clear No. So that's it. That's how you can clear browsing history on Firefox in Windows. Thanks for watching. We meet in the next video. Have a nice time.